Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're putting two drones head-to-head in a battle for aerial supremacy. In the left corner, we have the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone, and in the right corner, the Tamis drones with camera for adults 4K. Let the drone wars begin. First up, let's talk about the price. The Potensic Atom will set you back a cool $449. Meanwhile, the Tamis drone is basically giving itself away at $99. If you're on a budget, Tamis is like that friend who always picks up the tab. But remember, sometimes you get what you pay for, or don't pay for. Next, let's zoom in on the camera. The Potensic Atom boasts a 4K camera with a Sony CMOS sensor and a 3-axis gimbal, which sounds fancy and probably is. It's like the James Cameron of drones. On the other hand, the Tamis drone also offers a 4K UHD camera with a 110 degrees FOV lens. It's like the indie filmmaker who's still figuring out how to use a tripod. Both have their charm, but Potensic's got that Hollywood magic. Reviewers of the Potensic Atom love its clear video and pictures, while Tamis users appreciate the camera quality for the price. Now, portability. The Potensic Atom is lightweight and palm-sized, weighing less than 249 grams. It's so light, you might forget you're carrying it, like that time you misplaced your phone in your hand. The Tamis drone also weighs less than 250 grams and has a foldable design, so you can slip it into your bag and go. Both are pretty travel-friendly, but Potensic's got that storage bag for the extra touch of class. Reviewers appreciate the compact and easy-to-carry design of both drones. Let's talk juice. The Potensic Atom offers 96 minutes of flight time with 3 batteries and charges up faster than you can say parallel charging hub. Tamis, however, didn't specify their battery life, which is like going on a blind date, exciting but potentially disastrous. Potensic wins this round for transparency and stamina. Reviewers love the extended flight time of the Potensic, while Tamis users have mixed feelings about its battery life. On to flight features. The Potensic Atom comes with Gimbal tracking and quick shots for those cinematic moments. It's basically a Spielberg in the sky. Tamis offers optical flow positioning and a bunch of newbie-friendly features like one-touch takeoff and altitude hold. If you're a beginner, Tamis is like flying with training wheels. But if you want to get creative, Potensic's your guy. Reviewers praise Potensic for its advanced features and stability, while Tamis is appreciated for its user-friendly design. Lastly, customer support. Tamis promises dedicated customer service, ready to hold your hand through every crash and burn. Potensic didn't brag about their support, but considering the price, we hope they're there when you need them. Tamis wins this round for being the drone equivalent of a 24/7 helpline. Reviewers of Tamis appreciate the helpful customer support, while Potensic users have mixed experiences. Reviewers generally praise the Potensic Atom for its advanced features, stability, and excellent camera quality, making it a great choice for those willing to invest a bit more. On the other hand, the Tamis drone is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, making it a solid choice for beginners and those on a budget. So there you have it, folks. If you're rolling in dough and want top-notch features, go for the Potensic Atom. But if you're on a budget and need something that's easy to fly and fun, Tamis is your drone. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Buy Smart. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.